DPZ stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video. I have done 36,000 videos on this YouTube channel. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and everything is documented and proof. With DPZ, or just Domino's Pizza, let me just come to the higher time frame, because previously with every ticker symbol that I do like an outlook on, I just want to have like a hard time frame idea of where exactly we are. And with this specifically, it's just still quite of a sick bullish market. What I'm not going to do though, although I say it's a bullish market, I'm not going to come here and just randomly start buying, right? From a day/swing trade perspective, now we're pulling back inside this demand zone. So the only right thing for me to do is buy only if there's a pullback and the rules are met. If not, it's all good. I mean, we're already 2 out of 3 confirmations there, you know, steps there. So 3 out of 3 rules must be met in order for me to get in, and then comes the managing the trade game, which obviously I'm keeping you updated with. But we should first, if we get involved, sick. If not, it's all good. You know, I'm not trying to force trades here. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's our free newsletter.